Hey, it's Clay Trader at claytrader.com. The market's just opened up here. Looking at PayPal here, so we'll see what happens with this. I will keep you updated. I apologize for that. Got in 500 of PayPal at 41.60, and then set a stop loss at 42.33, and that's right when I was getting the video started back up again. Everything obviously happening very fast. So I got in like 41.60. And then as soon as I got that stop loss in, I was going to hit the record button so we could see it from there. But then I got stopped out, which not too shocking given, just opening up, and pretty crazy here this morning. But nice way to start the day. Let's see, 198, about a minute in. So I'm going to keep watching this one. Obviously very volatile. So let's see if I can capture another trade on it. I will do my best. But like I said, these require quite a bit of focus just because it's obviously moving very fast. But I'll see what I can do. All right, I have an order out to pick up some shares at 40.35, just an entry order here on PayPal. So we'll see if it can get down there or not. Big move up there, and now obviously the thing has really taken a beating. So we'll see. I may be getting a little bit too conservative on this entry point, but like I said, I just want to be extra careful with it. So we'll see what happens here. I'll let it play a little bit. I wish stocks like this were around every single morning. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause it. Let's see. I want to see how violent it gets if 40.80 can break. So let's see, there we go, that break. Not very violent. I was thinking it'd be more of a... Sorry, I'm going to pause it. I'll keep you updated. All right, I dipped my toe in a little bit there at 40.81, just 300 shares. Now I have the 800 at 42.50 or 800 at 40.52. So just easing in here. So we'll see here what happens. But like I said, just going in very small. Throw out some sell orders just in case I get any sort of bigger bounce here. A lot of sellers here up in the 30s. It's trying to bounce back, but there's a lot of them down here in the low 30s. So if it can break through 40 and I can get some more shares down there, that'd be fantastic. Not sure if that's going to happen or not, though. We shall see. All right, I'm going to pause it. I will keep you updated. All right, it's bouncing now, looking to get, like I said, some of those out at 59. And then 65 is where I have those orders. So we'll see if it can get up there or not. So it's trying. All right, I will pause it. If it looks like I'm going to get filled, I'll try to get the video going again. All right, okay, all those ones are out now. So I have 200 shares left. What I'll do is put in a stop loss at 59. So there we go. So now I'm just going to follow this up. I should move that up a little bit. Okay, all out there. So maybe got a little too aggressive on the stop there, but had my final 200 shares, and I was just going to raise up the stop loss when I moved it up to 40.62. Hindsight, I'm speaking right now. Probably should have waited, and now I should have probably moved it up. But this is total hindsight, and we can all be awesome traders in hindsight. But I was hoping that I'd get a move back or down below 40 so this move here would get more overextended. That did not happen. So another nice little trade. They're not as good as I had wanted it to be, but you know, it is what it is. The market would be such an easy place if you could do things in hindsight, but let's see what else I can find. Have an order here to short, just a beginning position 500 at 59.49. I have no idea if it's going to get up that high or not, but if it does, I'd feel good about that initial entry point. So that's a fishing order I currently have out there. I will keep on looking. Okay, it's creeping up there. Maybe have a chance here. We shall see. I will keep you updated. Here we go. It's trying to work its way up there. Actually, now I need to... things changed on the chart, so need to change this around a little bit. So we'll go to 69 instead. That's just some things I saw on the chart that had changed. That's what I always teach the students. You know, trade plans are fluid, so you got to keep that in mind. Things are always changing. So now 59.69 is the new initial entry point. So we'll see if I can get up there or not. Okay, getting close here. I will keep you updated. All right, got 89 shares, and then just based off how the level 2s were acting, wasn't a fan, so I canceled the remainder of my order, and I'm now going to just go a little bit more conservative here. So I have 200 at 59.79. Okay, so I got those. So now my average is, and since this one is kind of I don't want to say a lost cause, but see if I can just cover those at 59.70. Okay, got some there. So now I have some orders to cover at 59.70, 59.75, but still just 489 shares. So it's a very mild position here. The chart is getting quite overextended, but this one kind of, like I said, got screwed up a little bit from the beginning. I mean, it's still, I'm still confident in, you know, a money-making opportunity here, but it's not really going, you know, entry-wise, you know, the way I'd originally wanted it to go. But again, not even 500 shares yet, so a very, you know, controlled. All right, so I got those 59.75, and I'm all out. So $39, but. And of course, hindsight says, oh, you should have held. Well, yeah, hindsight. But it is what it is, like I was explaining. Just kind of got sloppy from the beginning. Let's see, it is 9:46 a.m., so 16 minutes in. I'm up 329, so I'm happy with this. Let's see if I can capture one more trade. Real quick, while there's a pause in the action, one of the big questions I get, and probably the most popular, is how am I finding these stocks to trade? How am I finding these setups? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the 5 tools that I use to find setups that I think have some profit potential. So if that sounds like something that could add some value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there on that button. I will email it to you. It's totally free. You know, like I said, just need the email, your email address, so I can email it to you. And you know, the guide itself is free. And you know, like I said, it's a good risk versus reward. Low risk. If you don't find anything helpful, then hey, you know, you didn't pay any money for it. But hey, if something does help out, then you know it was totally free to begin with. So I'd encourage you to check that out if you know, you're kind of interested in learning about what sort of tools I'm using. Obviously, you only see a little bit on the screen, but on other parts of my screens, I have different you know, tools and scanners and such working, and that's where I talk about, you know, in the guide. So if that sounds of interest, check it out. Do have another order out to shorts 500 at 60.25. What I'm hoping for is a quick move up there on the break of 60. So we'll see if that happens or not. I'd like to see if we can capture the entry point here. I guess we did get the entry points on the last GoPro trade, so it's, you have gotten to see some of that. All right, I will keep you, or I'm gonna pause it here. I'll keep you updated. Little too conservative. It did break, and then it quickly popped up to 60.10. So if I was at, you know, 60.09, something right around there, I would have been okay. But once again, talking in hindsight. So I'm just gonna cancel this and go hunting for another order, or I should say another setup. All right, gonna try GoPro again here. Have my initial order here at 50.79. So let's see if it can get up there or not. I will keep you updated. I'm gonna pause since the video is starting to get long. Try to make it as condensed as possible. All right, it is 10 a.m. and I have other things I actually need to do. I was on vacation this past week. Sorry, I'm just watching. I was on vacation last week and just getting back, so I got to catch up on a lot of things. But I wanted to just record the first 30 minutes today and see how things turned out, especially with the PayPal stuff going on. So I'm going to wrap things up. Thank you for watching. Like I said, check out that guide if you're interested in learning about those tools that I use. And shoot, over 10 minutes now. But anyways, thanks for watching. Get out there, trade without emotion.